Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. Today I've got another fun and super simple Dollar Tree DIY for us. We're going to be making a pair of glam wall mirrors. And so what you're going to need is you're going to need some of this floral diamond wrap. And you can pick this up at EFavormart.com. EFavormart.com is an online retailer. They have a host of crafting items on their website and also event items on their website as well. They reached out to me, and so I've partnered with them, and they have provided me with a custom coupon code, same as the channel name, a cozy Casita, all one word, that will save you 15% on your order with them. They have also provided me with a custom affiliate link, so you can use either the affiliate link or the custom coupon code to save the 15%. I'll have their information as well as the custom coupon code information in the description box below, so please be sure to check that out. So you're going to need this diamond wrap that is a floral pattern from EFavormart. You're also going to need some of this glitter foam, and you can pick this up at EFavormart as well. You're going to need some of these little mini mirrors. I picked these up at Michael's. They come in a pack of 4, so you will need 5 packs of these per mirror. You're going to need some of these peel and stick gemstones from Walmart. However, you can find these on a half sheet size at Dollar Tree. You're going to need an 8.5 by 11 picture frame. I have 2 of these. I'm making a pair of mirrors, so you'll need 2 8.5 by 11 picture frames from Dollar Tree. You can find them in gold or you can find them in silver. If you are not able to find a color that you like, you can always spray paint the frame. I am going to be using some hot glue on this project, but if you want to make this a permanent piece, please use something like an E6000 or an epoxy glue. That will work. These are the items that we need in order to get the project completed, so let's get started. Okay, you guys, aren't these mirrors gorgeous? Let me know what you think. And they are so easy to make. Now let's go ahead and start playing around and decorating with them. Okay, well there you have it, guys. Another simple and beautiful glam DIY. I hope you guys will give this easy DIY a try. If you like these kinds of DIYs, please be sure to share these videos with your friends. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.